Hey you, get in. So we are going on a ride to find the best Beyond Meat burgers in town. We're on a hunt for Beyond Meat today. So want to join us? Let's go. So this is my first time going to drive-thru in I don't know how many years. This is like the opposite of something that I would do, but I heard that they have Beyond Meat. Okay, hold on. So they have the menu here, 100% plant-based. I don't know if they do like gluten-free buns. Do I just say hello? Do I order here?
Hello, can I get for you?
Hi, I would like a Beyond Burger, please, without cheese and without onions. And do you do like on a lettuce or just on a bun?
We can do it on the lettuce wrap.
Oh, that'd be great, lettuce wrap. How cool is
Okay, will
that?
that complete your order, right?
No, that's it.
Okay, $6.44 is the next window.
Do I pay here? No? Okay.
No,
What
you
if-
go to the next window.
Okay, thanks. I don't know. I'm so funny. And for those of you who don't recognize me, I'm still Chef Alina Z. Just have my hair straightened.
Here you go.
All right, cool. Thank you. All right, wow. I feel so American. I have my American passport. Now for my American burger. Okay. Now, I will tell you, this is not health food, okay? This is still fast food, but it's better than getting regular, bacon cheeseburger. Unfortunately, they don't have cheese that's vegan here, so I had no cheese just to keep it real and to see what it was like, because I don't want to add that cheese, like, it has hormones, antibiotics, steroids in the cheese, like, no bueno. If it had like organic cheese from cows that were on pasture, like, different story. Okay. Oh, that's pretty cool. This is neat, you guys. It has like a sauce and stuff. Look. I mean, you can get it on a bun. I just don't want to eat the bun because of gluten and stuff. It's really good. So this whole shebang cost me $6.44. So it's pretty reasonable. I didn't have to get out of the car, so that's a bonus. The minuses here is that they don't have the plant-based cheese, and of course I would have loved to have the cheese. So I would say it's like a good 6 for me if I was rating it from like 1 to 10, because of the convenience, because it is char-broiled or whatever they do. It's yummy, but the cheese is missing. Let's see if we can turn up the volume, turn up the heat here, and go to another place. You actually have to get your butt out of the car. I'm not crazy. But they do have cheese that's vegan, and they do have different side dishes. So let's check them out, try them out, and see how we like them. And I know it's a really hard day at work, so please don't be jealous. If you look at burgers from McDonald's, Burger King, or any other fast food, like the actual burger, it will have meat from cows, like God knows how many animals, first of all. Second of all, it will have like steroids, hormones, like all kinds of junk in the meat, because that's how they raise those animals. And then your money will be supporting cruelty, because let's face it, that's how they raise them, the animals. But if you have, let's say, the Impossible Burger, it is a step better, but it is not a health food again, because it has, gluten and soy, and it is GMO. Yuck. So we don't do that. It's no bueno. But better step is Beyond Meat Burger. Off we go. And Beyond Meat does not have any gluten or soy, and it's non-GMO. So we are pulling into Veggie Grill. The cool thing about Veggie Grill is that it is all plant-based, and you can get the cheese and the fries and the schmais and whatever, and everything is gonna be plant-based, so you don't have to worry about it. And they have a lot of different things, so let's see what's on the menu. Should we get the Beyond Burger with Beyond Meat, American cheese, grilled onions, sauce, tomato, iceberg lettuce? Yes, thank you. All right, we got our food. Okay, so we got the Beyond Burger. It has the gluten-free bun. Okay, I'm gonna dig in. Gluten-free bun is not bad. It does look boring. And this is turmeric cauliflower. It's very filling and nurturing, and I feel, instead of French fries right now, because this is not my last stop on today's rendezvous, since I'm eating a lot of different burgers, trying them out, just a quick plug for my friend's company, Mass Enzymes by Bio Optimizers. Enzymes are found in raw food, and they help you digest the food. But because this is not raw and my body has to work really hard to digest everything, I'm gonna pop one of these just to help with the digestion, because like it's a lot. Okay, we're gonna give this burger a rating. It is good because it has the bun and it has the cheese, and you can get like different condiments, and everything here is plant-based. It is twice the price of Carl's Jr. It's $12.50. What I don't love is that if I was doing it at home, I would do a different bun, just a little softer bun. So we're gonna go here, we're gonna sit down, maybe have a cocktail. And you know what, I used to work here, so I feel like coming home almost. I worked here like 1997. So if I'm eating at Fridays, which I am, this is what I would do. I got the side salad, it did come with a breadstick, which I'm not gonna have, and the croutons, which I'm also gonna take off. Then we got the burger. So this is the Beyond Meat burger. We put avocado, and we got sweet potato fries. The thing with these burgers, like they're so big, like how do you even get in your mouth? When you have the lettuce wrap, it's so much easier. This one has pickles. I love pickles. Tomato. I'm gonna put a little ketchup on it. Let's try it. It's good. I wish it had vegan cheese on it. The bun tastes just like regular gluten bun. It looks like a regular gluten bun. So you have the whole experience of the burger. The avocado is really nice instead of cheese. And then if you guys like, okay, what is the cleanest thing you can have here? Get a couple of sides. Like I decided to get whole food sides. So a plain baked potato and broccoli with some carrots and zucchini. I will tell you, this is not a health food, okay? This is a health food. This is not a health food. Is it better than regular beef burger at McDonald's, Burger King, or somewhere else? Abso-freaking-lutely. Would I eat it every single day for every single meal? Probably not. Also, just like I would eat broccoli. But life is about balance, you know? It's about balance. This is what I do. Don't listen to everything that I say. Try it for yourself. See how you feel. I would say out of all the burgers on the market, this one tastes the meatiest. This one satisfies the craving for the burger, and it's the cleanest one there is. So I'd probably give this burger a 9.5. If they had the cheese, it would have been a 10. It would have been really good with the cheese. Comment below, let me know what your favorite burgers are. Maybe, I don't know, some places that have them that make them really good, and I want to check them out. So let me know, and if you have any requests for me going to try other places, for you, I will go and try and see what else is good there. Cheers to your health, and until later, until our next dining and culinary adventure. Bye.